Now we will see how to program using STM32 CubeIDE. Just open the CubeIDE. Before starting the programming, we will verify whether the package is installed. That is, if you are going to program STM32 WL series, means the corresponding software packages has to be installed, or if F series has to be going to be programmed, the corresponding F series packages has to be installed before creating a project. Let's go help here, then configuration tool, manage embedded software packages. This window will pop up and you will check for example I'm going to use my STM32 F0 series, means I have to install the latest version package. Let me see, we are going to program STMWL series, so let me check for WL series package has been downloaded. Yeah, it's downloaded. If this green color shows the package has been downloaded, else you have to enable the box and have to install. It will ask for login. It will go to login page. You have to log in and start installing. Once it has installed, you can now create a new project, like file new STM32 project. It will take some time. Sometimes it shows some error or the software has some lag issues. Ignore that. Now enter the part number of your series. Like now we are going to use STM32 WL series. Sorry, we should not enter here. We enter here STM32 WLE5JC. Just click the button here and click the part number and click on next. It will show like this. Give a project name, like we will see some general blink program. Okay, remaining options are leave same it as next. Click on next and okay, finish. It will lead to a opening of .ioc file. .ioc file is nothing but a pin mapping image of a board. You have to select your input and outputs there. Yeah, this is the .ioc file. In this we have to click our LED button pin of LED button is PB5. Yeah, this is the LED pin, and just click it as GPIO output. It will save it as GPIO output. You can see in here. Click on GPIO. From this, scroll down one. You can see that PB5 is clicked and the output is made as GPIO output. So we are just enable the GPIO output. In case of you are using some communications like UART, SPI means you have to click on here and you have to enable SPI and UART. It generally disabled. You have to enable it. If you enable it, it will automatically enable the pins here. Like for example, we can see here I just enabling USART1. Just click it as asynchronous mode. See here the pin here are enabled automatically. Okay, now we don't want this. Just enable the GPIO pins. Once done, you have to save. Just press Ctrl S. The file has been updated. Now go to project, then generate code. It will generate a corresponding C code to your .ioc file. Now go to core, source, main.c. It has generated the header file, GPIO header file, clock synchronization, and some as you mentioned you're going to use a GPIO, so it will generate a program here. It will initialize all your basic needs. Just you have to write minimal changes and write a core part of your code. I'm just going to copy the code from here. Yeah, the code has been given like this. We are going to add this part alone. All GPIO toggle. We have to toggle every 2-second delay. So we are going to just add these 2 lines in the generated program. We have to here is the one. We have to code here. Just paste it. Now code has been added. Just save it. Ctrl S. Now double click on the main.c to see the side column. You have Ctrl S. Now just run this file. Here is the hammer symbol here. You just have to press on it, so it will start to build. Yeah. One thing, before clicking the build option, just right click on the project, that is the Blink is our project. Right click on it, go to properties, C build, settings, go to MCR MPU post build outputs, click on binary file, convert to binary, convert to Intel X file. This will generate your binary file and X file. This X file is used in programming. Then just apply and close. Now click on build button. The program has been built successfully. Okay, now you can see your drivers, Blink X file, debug Blink X file. There is a X file here. Okay, that's all. We have successfully generated a X file. Now open Cube Programmer. Yeah. Now we have open the STM cube programmer and connected the ST link version 2, in which the connections has to be made as per SWIDO has to be connected to IDO pin and the ground clock and corresponding 3v3 volt in the STM board. Just click on refresh button here so that the serial number of your ST link will be generated here. Just press on connect. I just press on the connect, it showed connected. Now one thing has to be verified. Here I clicked connect, it automatically connected, but many of the time it shows error because we can't have the access to program it when you're using the first time. So when you're going to program for the first time the STM board, just go to this option bytes, check for readout protection. The name readout protection RDP value is AA. If it is AA means there is no protection, that you can straight away program it. If it is contained as BB, just see what it happens. Just apply. It has applied. Okay. Now I just disconnect, retried, and I am trying to connect. It shows error, data read failed. When you programming for the first time, it will definitely show like this because it is protected such that no one can again program your device when it is implemented in application. So go to option bytes again, click on readout protection, change it as CAA and apply. It is programmed now. Just see now. Disconnected. I just connected. It's actually connected without showing any error. Now go to erasing and programming. This is erasing and programming. Just ensure these options are enabled. Verify programming, run after programming, download file. This 3 has to be enabled. Next, go to browse. Our project name is Blink. Here it's the Blink file. Debug blink.x. Open. Just start programming. It programmed successfully, and my board is blinking with an interval of 2 second time. That's all. It is the procedure to generate a X file in the STM CubeIDE, and we have to open the STM cube programmer and just flash the programmer using this cube programmer, and hence our board has been programmed successfully.